Again. Stop. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you hear noise outside, it's because I'm like back in the city, so noise, yeah. So I'm going to wrap up the talking part quickly so I don't have to say much over the noise, so the video goes by faster. But yeah, today's video is sponsored by Dola's hair. So I've worked with them before. You guys know Dola's hair, as they have good, when I say good quality hair, they have top-notch quality. Like every hair I've gotten from them, their quality is like mwah, for sure. Dola's hair and next company, but yeah, Dola's hair is one of my top 5 go-to. So today they sent me a headband wig. I haven't done a headband wig in a long time, so yeah, I'm back again with a headband wig. This is deep wave, yeah, I think it's deep wave. This is a 20-inch deep wave headband wig, and this is how the wig is looking. You know, it comes with the strap, comes with the combs inside, yada yada yada, everything in the back part, comb in the back I should say, comb on the sides, and one at the front part here. Just a few things that they sent me. They sent me this cute headband, a bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. They've also sent me some stocking cap, which I don't think I'll be using today because I have one on deck. They sent me another, they sent me 2 of the same scarf. Well, they sent me 2 of the same scarf. Probably got one by mistake, but yeah. They sent me their little thank you card. So thank you for your order, you made our day, we hope we make yours, yada yada yada, the whole nines about the company. They sent me, I think this is like a wig head that you could make, and it comes with the instructions on how to make it. This wig head, you can just put it on your desk to put your wigs on while you're not wearing it, so that's good. And they also sent me baby hair combs, and that's it. That is all they sent to me. Now I'm going to install this wig. So I'm sure everybody knows how the whole headband wig install processing goes. You pretty much don't really leave out any of your hair unless you want to do like different styles. Like I have some style that I've done with headband wigs, which is kind of different from the usual. I'll probably link it somewhere on the screen so you guys can watch that. But yeah, for now I'm going to do the basics. And you can do many styles with this headband, with headband wigs, especially if it's like, for me, when it's curly hair, I like it best because it reminds me of my natural hair. So I like curly wigs mostly, especially for like headband wigs. And I don't like when it's I don't know, I don't like when it's defined. I like when it's more poofy and looks like something that I would wear. This is one of it, and I can do it in an updo if you wanna do it like, you know, if you don't want it down, you can do it up. You know, this looks like I just took a shower. I'm about to go on the road and I just don't want my hair down, so now I'm just, you know, putting it up like a cute mixed vibes. You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, that's what it's giving right now. So you can wear it up if you want. And this is how the back is looking for the first one. Period. Or if you want to do it in like a bun, then all you have to do is just wrap this. It's like a quick 5 minutes through the door type of vibe, like literally, and you're through the door. Okay, but this is how I would wear it if I'm supposed to like showcase the headbands and all. Also sent me a next pretty color, which is this one, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on. This is pretty much giving me beach vibes because I think it's floral, so it's giving me like, you know, beach vibes, Hawaiian type of flavor. It's looking, I feel like it's pretty cute. I wouldn't do anything different with this hair. I would wear it the same way because I feel like it's an easy one to, you don't have to do anything much. Imagine being late for a meeting or just being late for an event and you don't really want to do much. This can save you a lot of time, and even when it's not defined, it's still cute. Like, baby, it's still cute. And you can wear it up if you're out and it's sunny and it's too hot for you. You can put it up, you can put it in a bun, or you can wear it out. And if you want to define it, you can, but for me personally, I wouldn't wear it defined. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would wear it. I like wearing my wigs puffy. Like, I don't liking, unless it's like straight wigs, then that's different, but my curly wigs, I like when it's like, you know, giving me messy vibes. Like, ooh, where that's me, period. And sis has no makeup on. Lashes, that's all I did. Lashes, and I still feel like a bad bee. Who you know? Who you know? Period. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank Dola Hair for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I've worked with them before. Their quality of their hair is always top notch. The only thing with this hair is that it sheds. Yeah, and I feel like it's because I've been combing it out, so maybe that's why. And it's curly hair, so curly hair, like it's going to shed. So after combing it out, I got a little bit of shedding, but like I said, it's curly hair typically sheds. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Your little body, 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 shooting my little body thing.